So my name is Tedeschi, and like I said, welcome to our series in the mathematical modeling in animal nutrition. So this is a series that we started 8 years ago. So this is the 8th year of this series, and we try to bring different topics in mathematical modeling every year. And I have a quick intro just to tell you a little bit about what is the NANP, the National Animal Nutrition Program, which is one of the sponsors for this series. We have this modeling committee. I'm the chair of the modeling committee. We have several folks from different universities here. I want to thank also Hector Menendez. Hector is here. Hector is part of the modeling committee, and Hector will be helping us today in this presentation, this workshop. And we also have Min Lee. Min is here, so she's our postdoc helping us. She will also be helping you throughout the day. It's very important to mention the sponsors for this series, for this workshop. And I would like to highlight, first of all, the NANP. This is the National Animal Nutrition Program. I'll talk a little bit about it in a second. Then we have the the ASAS, the association for helping us with this. John McNamara Research Fund in Agriculture, and also USDA NIFA. So those are the sponsors for this workshop series. So the National Animal Nutrition Program, this was established back in 2010, and it was renewed in 2015, then renewed again in 2025, and it is being renewed right now for another 5 years or so. So the NANP, it's really a research support activity, and it was requested to be established. So this started as a multi-state, and then it moved on to an NRSP, the National Research Support Program. And the main objectives of the NANP is really to address those challenges that researchers are facing, educators and support agencies in animal agriculture. And in our case, the modeling committee is specifically to help the National Academy of Sciences, the National Academies, it started with helping the National Academies with their nutrition series or models that they developed for the old NRC publications, but we still continue helping them with all of the new publications they have related to modeling. So the NANP was established with 3 committees. The first one is the coordinating committee, and I have Dr. Miller is the chair for that coordinating committee. That is the feed composition committee. Ryan Dilger, University of Illinois, is the chair for that committee. I am the chair for the modeling committee, and we also added another committee last year, which is called the Climate Smart Feed Management Committee. And I'm serving as the chair for that one, and this is in partnership with the USDA and RCS, and the objective of that program is really to connect feed composition modeling, the modeling committee folks, and also work in terms of a climate smart feed management programs. So today we're talking about the modeling committee. So the modeling committee, as I mentioned before, was really established to work with the national academies. It's really to improve predictive technologies, one of the key objectives, and to work with researchers, as I said, to helping them developing their models, and also train educators, faculty, researcher, consultants, the stakeholders, in essence, in terms of modeling and in terms of data analytics. That is an interface, and to interface and support the requirements of the revision committees for the national academies, as I mentioned. So it started with the series of NRC publications. You're aware of the NRC publications, and now we call the National Academies for Engineering, Science, Engineer, and Medicine. So this is the website for the NANP. It's www.animalnutrition.org. You'll find a lot of different information in this website, and we will mention this website several times today. You will find information about, I'm showing about our modeling committee. You'll find information about Shiny apps, codes, software, everything related to modeling in nutrition, essentially, you'll find in this website. You'll also find the latest publications of the NRC publications, now the National Academies publications, and the updates and corrections and fixes online. All of these workshops that NANP promotes and sponsors are available at our website. And you can go to our website and find all of this workshop and the symposium information, not only the publications, the presentations, but also materials, publications, whatever is given during these workshops, as well as the video recordings for the presentation. So you can watch all of these videos again and all the presentation again. And they are available to the public, and will stay there at this animalnutrition.org. We also have an NANP GitHub. You will get some information today. Most of the information you use today will be available at this GitHub, and it will stay there. If you go to our website, the animalnutrition.org, you'll find links to this GitHub information. Well, before I move on, I have to tell you a little bit about this survey. Because we are funded, sponsored by USDA, we really require your survey information or your feedback for this workshop series. And I'll give you this survey information throughout the day, and you will also receive an email with the survey, the link for the survey, and I appreciate if you go back to the survey and answer some of the questions. We're always trying to bring the latest in terms of modeling, nutrition modeling, mathematical models to you, and some of the presentations from today, last year, and so forth were requested by users in the past. So we're always trying to change and meet your requirements. So for today, we have, it's really a full agenda today. I do have to tell you, I know we will be using computers, laptops today, and I was told that the last two tables on my right, they are the tables that have power plugs. Extra power plug. So if whenever you need to add some power to your computer, you can go there and charge your computer for some time and so forth. And we hope you do use it, because we'll be using computers all day long today. So the presentations today, the way we organize this symposium and the previous symposiums is to have some combination of presentation, standard presentations, and hands-on. So you see I highlighted those. We're starting now at 8 a.m. We have two presentations. Those are what we call the standard presentations. Those are 40-minute presentations. And then we will have 3 hands-on, as we call those. Those are an hour and a half hands-on. And those are the ones that you will get trained on specific topics. The topics that we chose for this workshop today, the first one is really to talk about differences in this AI and hypercomputer processing computers, and we'll talk a little bit about this soon. Then we'll have a discussion about empirical and mechanistic models. we always would like to go back and also refresh the differences between empirical and mechanistic models and in the world of AI today, artificial intelligence, and how we connect to those. Then we have a coffee break at that time, and then we have our first hands-on. We'll talk about Bayesian modeling. Then we have our first round table. So I will ask you today to write down your questions, and whenever the round table time arrives, that's when we're going to engage in discussion with the speakers, and that's when we have time to ask questions about it. Then we have lunch. Lunch will be served somewhere here. Then we have two more presentations, or two more hands-on, I should say. One is talking about computer vision, and the other one is actually talking about building large language models using AI. So this is, as I mentioned here, this is a full day today, and you have the chance to learn about this computer vision, Bayesian analysis, and LLM building on a hands-on application. And then, as you saw there, we do have another roundtable in the afternoon after the two hands-on. So again, just a reminder, those are our sponsors for this conference, and we'd like to thank them a lot for having this. And before I forget, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, we do have a survey. I do need you to fill out this survey. I will be sending this link to you. Maybe I already talked about this, I don't know, but I need to keep reminding you about the survey, so you have to fill out this survey. And we also send you emails to get information about this. We were asked to talk a little bit about this ModNut workshop. We do have another ModNut workshop. It's not related to NANP, but this is going to happen in September and in Switzerland. I hope you can actually make it. Some of us will be there, and some of us will actually make some presentations there. So this is a series of a different modeling presentation that will happen in Switzerland. Every 3-4 years we have this conference.